your home.
True.
Do you even know where's your first visit?
Not much. The ate's making chicken quesadilla. Oh, fresh from the grill yun. Aray. I think that's good.
You need to prepare it in there.
Oh, yeah. Chicken quesadilla. Chicken quesadilla. I'm gonna put something here. Ate, can you put something dun sa akin? Ikaw na lang maglagay sa akin. Para...
I'm gonna...
You have those 3. Don't put any of these there. Just those 3.
Yeah. Guacamole.
May pinaghirapan. Meron naman ako natulong dito.
Okay na yun.
What are you gonna do, ate?
I forgot what it's called. I think it's Tostilocos.
Okay.
So we're gonna get some chips.
Naku.
There's a... Tikman muna natin.
Chippy.
Kung masarap pa. Mayroon pa. Hagi na lang tayo.
Yeah. What's that?
Actually, ikaw na lang kung ano sa'yo. Kasi matay pa tayo ng gusto.
Hindi, okay lang yan. Ay, i-ano ko na.
I'll put this.
Yan, yan. Damihan mo na lang yan. Kakainin ko yan. Oh.
Hindi, ikaw na kung ano sa'yo.
No! Ano to?
Kind of like chamoy ata.
What's this?
Chamoy?
I don't know.
A little bit.
Look at this, guys. Oh. Yan. Ito yung, yan.
Chamoy yata.
Yan. This one. Tapos, they have this. What's this? Is this garlic?
This is hikama.
Yan. Put more. This one is what I like.
And then, what's this?
This one, I don't know what is.
Candy ata. You want to try this? I won't eat this. You will eat it.
I won't.
You want? Yes, yes.
What's that?
Is it open?
I don't know.
Valentina.
What's that?
Like hot sauce.
Yee. Yummy.
Want to listen to music without any ads? With Amazon Music Unlimited, you can play your favorite songs, artists,
Lemon naman yun. Then, we're gonna mix it. Mix it. That's it.
No, todavía no. Primero no sí.
I don't know ano talaga ko dito. Mini.
No se roba, se.
Pakita mo. Pakita mo. Nagtapong ka pa niya.
Ahora tú sola con tu abuela.
Ikaw mo. Vegetarian version. Kala ko ba kukuntihan mo lang? Ba't ang dami nga na pitis?
Ay, que sale.
Yan, masarap para maanghang.
Coquito, vente.
Hindi super anghang, pero may anghang. Yay! That's it! Lime?
La del recuerdo. Ay, abuela, ya quieres allá. No sé que si se descompone en la cámara, yo no sé si se descompone con nosotros.
And I'm gonna mix it. Mix it. Actually, it's hard to mix it. Okay na yan. Hi, we're going back to the US now. Hello, Damu.
I will wait for you the same place we were waiting.
Yeah.
Just walk there because I always nothing was like.
Let's go.
Just walk and you will say the first sound to your right. Not the.
Looks like Philippines. Look like Philippines, guys.
No. But when we broke up and you were living in Atlanta, I came to visit you. Now you're pretending to remember.
I didn't remember. I don't remember that. I swear.
But remember when you were living in Atlanta?
Woods.
No. I'm talking. We become very friends there. So I asked you once in. Or if you like, you said no.
With the ate, sasamahan niya ako mag-cross ng border. Kasi dapat ako lang. Pero dahil mahal niya ako, tsaka sobrang bait kong kapatid. Samahan
Hindi,
niya.
sobrang bait niyang
Ay, di ba?
Ikaw yung bait.
Ganun dapat.
Update pala.
Oo, binago na eh. So, lalakad kami. Pakita ko sa inyo yung pila mamaya. Kasi bawal yung camera dun sa mismong pag-cross namin.
Sana maunti lang yung...
Yeah, see you later na. Bye. Hi guys, passed through the immigration. Nasa US na kami ulit. And we're walking to meet the kuya and the mumay. Bilis. Alam nyo guys, ito yung pinakamabilis kong
Sabi ni,
dito.
he's gonna pick us up in the round thing where people get picked up.
First time ko kasi ilang beses na akong nagganito. I mean by foot na cross ng border. Ito yung pinakamabilis sa experience. Kaya yung tipong pagdating namin doon. Oo, nalakad lang. I mean, oo, walang stopan. Sobrang lupet, guys.
Walang pila.
Yes, walang pila. Walang pila nung papasok kami ni ate kasi sinamahan niya, kaming dalawa. And then ngayon, wala ulit pila. Grabe talaga. Tuloy-tuloy, walang hintuan ba eh. Ang tawag doon sa mabilis na lakad, brisk walking kami. So true. Ayan na ayan na ang dakuya at ang damo. Tingnan nyo. Tingnan nyo, yung damo. Tingnan, damo. Miss na ako nito eh. Hanap niya ako eh. Ito, oh. Ayan, siya. Hello! Hello!
Hi, baboy!
Super fast.
Why is there like that your eyes will
Driving back to our house.
Well,